یہ انگلش میں تقریر کریں گے انشاءاللہ.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. I am شہیر اویس, a student of مدرسہ تحفیظ القرآن, جلال راولپنڈی. Alhamdulillah, with the prayers of my parents and the efforts of my teachers, I have memorized 12 juz of the Holy Quran. For the people of Rawalpindi, this is both good news and a golden opportunity. Under the supervision of expert teachers of Tajweed, an excellent institution for the memorization of the Holy Quran. One institution, one mission. A perfect religious and character building environment, teaching of Masnoon Askar and Duas, equal attention to every student, rewards for good performance, solar system facilities for students, excellent air-conditioned environment for students. Admissions are open for residential and local students. Make your sons the best Hufaz and Qaris of the Holy Quran and turn them into a Sadaqah Jariyah for yourselves. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseeran.
ماشاء اللہ, بارک اللہ. اور اب میں